did it, boys. I completed the S chassis collection in Hot Wheels, and now it's time to do it in real life. I've been like secretly an S chassis guy. I feel like Brad had one, Emerson had one, so I always have my fix. I never really talked about how much I wanted one, but like an S14, although it's never made it onto my vision board, I don't know why. I think when I thought vision board, I thought like unattainable, like I put like a GTR on there, whereas I seen this as attainable, but Chris picked this thing up for me. He found it at the store the other day to add to the Hot Wheels collection. If you guys don't know, we're making a massive Hot Wheels collection, and I've seen some other people starting to do this on TikTok or something. I think I saw it, maybe it was Instagram. So like, boys, send Hot Wheels, because we already have like a huge number of Hot Wheels flowing in, and obviously if people are gonna try and do this themselves, we need to completely just kick their ass. So send Hot Wheels to the P.O. box. It's gonna be fire. Anyways, today is Sunday. I'm just hanging out in the garage, and I wanted to get this thing going. And after the last video, we ordered the parts we think we need in the mail, boys. So today, if I can get my finger in here, today might be a good day. We got the goods. Now I have no idea how this happened, because I've been looking for this reverse starter bearing for months, and they're always like a month out, and that's why I was like, okay, we really need to take it apart and like make sure it's this before I order this, wait for a month, then go to do it and it's wrong. But somehow Chris found this kit that I have never found in my life before that came with the puller that we needed. So you guys remember we left off last video, we had to stop because we didn't have the puller. We couldn't get the clutch wheel, or we couldn't get it out. This one came with the puller. This one came with 2 new gaskets, and it came with the bearing and flywheel, I guess this is. So I'm just really praying that I put this in there and it not only fires up, but I can drive it and there's no problems. I can't believe that it was that easy with the frickin' tool. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Everything's exploded. That was probably our problem. All these bearings that just came flying out. This one's obviously snapped. Oh my god, okay, let's get this all out from under here. Just from handling this stuff, dude, like look how flaky that is. Focus on my glove. Look at all the little metal shavings in the oil. That's so bad. And if you look in here where like all these bearings sit, you can see right here is all chewed up. The bearings were like grinding in there. That's gross. Oh boys, I found it. In case you are having one of those days where you just feel like an idiot, me too. I went to assemble everything and I realized I don't have the nut that goes here. Tore this place apart. I'm talking tore the whole garage apart. Couldn't find this nut, which I knew we had put in a safe place, obviously, because we knew we needed it, and it's an extremely rare size. So I looked yesterday for like 2 hours, tore the whole garage apart, couldn't find it. Woke up this morning, called it everywhere. No one has a nut in this like M14 by whatever this is, 1.5. So this morning, I go out to my trailer right there with all the stuff that needs to go to the dump, and I get my garbage bags and I start tearing them apart. Boys, I found this nut in the bottom of one of the bags. So obviously there was like a little pile on my table of important stuff that accidentally got knocked into the garbage at one point. Who knows? I dumped out 3 full garbage bags. I put these 2 back into a new bag already. I was working on putting this one in there and I found it. Definitely put myself on the dumbass scale for that one. I just want to know if this thing runs. Let's try this one more time. I'm still super nervous, so wish me luck, and neighbors, if you're watching this, I'm genuinely sorry about how loud this thing is. I think we forgot to celebrate, all right? It's starting. That's the problem that we were trying to fix, boys. It works, we did it. The issue before was it wouldn't even crank over. So like, we're back in business. I came in here, I topped up the gas because I realized that it was like empty. There was like no gas in there, so that could have been why it stopped, you know, turning over towards the end of that there. I also topped up the oil because I put fresh oil in it, obviously, but once you start starting it, it kind of starts to cycle through. One more time, boys. Yes, sorry, I'm sorry, neighbors. Yeah, Courtney's in the window dancing. Oh, I missed you. Something really cool just happened. I went inside to get changed, so I go for a little ride because it's cold and I want to stay warm. And Courtney has been nagging me for the longest time to get a utility quad. She's like, please buy a utility quad. I want to come riding with you, but I don't like riding the ATV. She does not like it. She just doesn't know how. It's like driving manual. However this happened, we have Courtney all decked out, dude. That's all this stuff's way too big for her, but like, she wants to learn.
I want to come, but you're not going to get me a quad unless I show you I want to come.
It's very true.
So I'm here, I'm showing up.
It's good. You know, like, I can't lie, it's a good attitude. I'm not just gonna buy a utility quad. She's expensive. I can't just buy one on a hope that she'll come. She's got a point.
Gear, but
I will get you your own gear. You don't have to dress like an absolute hood rat. Okay, so Courtney has no idea how to ride a manual quad. She's rode my dad's utility quad before, but like she's never rode with a clutch. So we're gonna let her take this one. It's a little bit more tame. It's also exactly how I would like mine to sound. Normal. Car, I yell at you when you ride the clutch. I say no, no, no. But on this, it's okay. It's very easy. Okay, so get on. I'll show you your basics. Okay. This is your brake. You press it to stop, and then this is your gas. You know how to use that because you've ridden it with ATV before, like the big one.
Can I push it?
Yep.
Well, it doesn't move.
No, it's in neutral right now. So you're neutral when this light's on. All the way down is gear 1, and then you'll go up to gear 5. Okay. It's only 5 gears. That's all there is. All the way down is 1. All the way up is 5.
Where's neutral?
Neutral is, look, okay, so that's first. Neutral is a half click up. See, that's neutral. So now you're in first. Let the clutch out just a little bit, just to feel where it bites. Okay. Yeah, like that, just not so much, or you're gonna do a wheelie. Well, there was no gas involved in that, but she did do it. Press the clutch! I told you when you're stopping, you have to press the clutch.
Slow down!
What do you mean it doesn't slow down? You were driving. What are you doing?
Oh no!
Now try to get some speed going so you can shift. There you go. That's all she needs.
I did it! I don't know if I was doing it right, but I did it all the way around the corner and I didn't stall.
Are you comfortable?
As comfortable as I think I'm gonna be.
17 minutes is what it took you to figure this out. Snow is really starting to come down. I say I get changed and we get in the trails.
Okay.
Boys, let's go. We're gonna call this one the let's turn around and not put Courtney through a massive lake right away. We're all going the wrong way anyways, but I was letting you lead because it's fine. I'm gonna lead. I'll keep my eyes up behind you. Just keep doing what you're doing. You're doing good.
Did you see my little skid?
I did see your skid. What'd you do?
I crashed.
How did you get so off course?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I ran over a tree.
I see.
I got up here?
Oh yeah, you gotta ride in the grooves. It probably spit you out. Okay, just try to stay in the grooves. Go a good speed. You're doing good. Our new house is so dope. We can literally rip quads, park them, and we're at the beach. That is about to come wreck us. Let's go home before we get wrecked. We didn't even make it out of our gear yet. We literally just got back. And boy, that snowstorm caught up to us so fast. Consensus.
I know how to do it now.
Did you have fun?
I was gonna say, it's kind of fun.
If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. Good job to you for learning and stuff. That's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll catch you next time. Peace out. And stay committed.